Hey guys, this is Spencer with Harrison Bruno, and I'm happy to announce the next big thing in digital embellishment, the Harrison Bruno ZRX. So at Drupa 2024, Harrison Bruno is announcing that we're getting into digital embellishment. Why are we doing this? So we've been a solution provider for over 75 years, and we thought, being very experienced in the finishing side of the printing industry, that there was something that we could offer here to digital embellishment. So for the ZRX, what we're doing here is we're combining analog with digital. So we've married together our world-renowned chamber analogs flood coating system with a digital inkjet engine. So the beginning of this machine is our chamber analog system. You're doing any types of flood coatings here, so primer, UV, and water-based coatings all in one. Really easy changeover from one to another and no cross-contamination happening here. This water-based coating is also allowing us to open up the possibilities of doing uncoated paper and digital embellishment, which has really never been done before. We're doing this very safely. We're using the water-based coating to make sure you don't have any uncured monomers from the UV inkjet that are sitting inside of that uncoated paper. Moving into the digital side of the machine, we've got our scanner system here, and none of this technology would really be possible without the scanning system. So the scanner, we're not only looking at crop mark points, but we're also looking at the image itself. So you can have either. You can look at crop marks, or you can look directly to the image and establish a bunch of key points from there. So it's not only 4 registration points, it's hundreds of registration points. It is an inkjet system, so we're using 22 inkjet heads, 2 rows of 11. This is a UV-based solution, so we're doing 2D, we're doing 3D, and any of the textures that follow in with that. Couple different types of drying here to do it, and then any of your file modification or editing can be done straight from the user interface on the machine. No need to go back to pre-press. Coming into the foil side of the machine, pretty standard digital foil system. So we're just hot stamping onto wherever we digitally inkjetted down onto the paper. Very robust and reliable system here. Coming out from the exit of the machine, at Drupa here, we don't have our stacker, we just have a catch tray, but that's just so customers can see our samples a little bit easier. And I'd be happy to bring you around and show you those samples right now. So what we're running here at Drupa 2024, this is one of our jobs. This is our owl calendar. It's been a pretty popular piece, a lot of people taking them away. What we're doing here is showcasing one of our new applications that we've opened up with the added flood coating capability. So we're doing this matte 3D background. We're achieving this with our ability to do the flood coating, and then over that we're also doing this shiny foil. So this is giving us a lot more contrast on the sheet. It gives designers a lot more to play with, and you can create unlimited amount of designs and textures, whatever you may need for your customer's application. That being said, this is also on an uncoated paper. So everything you're seeing here has been done on uncoated paper, which is huge for the industry.